Okay, fundraising friends, I need to pause our regularly scheduled programming because I have something a little different to share with you today. And honestly, it's something I think a lot of you really need to hear about. So here's what's been happening. I've been getting emails and messages from so many of you saying basically the same thing. I feel completely scattered. My to-do list is overwhelming me. I feel like I'm drowning. I can't get everything already on my plate done. And now year-end fundraising season is coming and I honestly don't know how I'm going to handle it. Does that sound familiar? Yeah, I thought so. Here's the thing, and I say this with so much love and so much empathy. You cannot fundraise effectively when you're drowning in chaos. Your scattered energy creates scattered results, and your donors, they can feel that frantic energy even through an email. So I'm doing something I have never done before. I'm hosting a full day workshop that has nothing to do with fundraising strategy and everything to do with getting your work and honestly your life organized before this year-end crunch hits. I'm calling it my Recipe for Relief, the Anti-Burnout Get It Organized workshop. And it's happening on Thursday, October 9th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, I know that some of you are thinking, another workshop? I don't have time for another workshop. But here's why this is different. This isn't about adding more to your plate. This is about clearing your plate so you can focus on what actually moves the needle. We're going to start by doing a complete brain dump, getting everything that's swirling around in your head onto paper. Then I'm going to teach you this framework for organizing the million hats you're wearing that I call work streams planning. That helps you organize everything from your annual goals down to your daily tasks. Then, and I'm so excited about this, we've got Melissa Morris from Agency Authority joining us to talk about best practices for leveraging project management systems to get them to work for you so you can stay on top of things. Then we're diving into my favorite topic, how to automate, delegate, or eliminate the administrative or repetitive tasks that are eating up your day. And here's the part I'm super excited about. We're ending with a full hour of implementation time. You're not just going to learn these systems, you're going to set them up before you log off. You'll literally walk away organized. And the whole day workshop is just $75. Less than what you'd spend on a nice dinner, but this will change how you work for months to come. I'm also limiting it to 30 people because I want to make sure everyone gets the support they need. And I have a feeling this will fill up quickly because everyone I'm talking to is excited to sign up. So look, I get it. You're busy, you're overwhelmed. The last thing you think you need is to spend a day learning about organization. But here's what I know. The most successful fundraisers I work with, they're not necessarily the most talented. They're the most organized. They're the ones who have systems that let them focus on this relationship building instead of constantly putting out fires. So year-end giving season is coming whether you are ready or not. And you can walk into October feeling scattered and frantic, or you can walk in feeling calm, organized, and completely on top of your game. The choice is yours. I am here for you if you are going with door number 2. You can find all the details and register at fromscratchfundraising.com/organized. That's fromscratchfundraising.com/organized. I know some of you are on the fence, but honestly, if you're feeling scattered right now, think about how you're going to feel in December if you don't get things together now. This is exactly what you need to avoid that burnout. Sliding into the new year, ready to sleep for a whole year. Have you done that before, right? Don't wait until you're completely overwhelmed. Come join me. fromscratchfundraising.com/organized. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you on the next podcast episode.
Now go make the world a better place.